Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn 20 simple English sentences for beginners with their meaning in Odia. Spoken English is easy if you practice every day. So let's get started. Good morning. Subho sakalo. How are you? ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? I am fine, thank you. ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଅଛି, ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. What is your name? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାମ କ'ଣ? My name is Ramesh. ମୋର ନାଁ ରମେଶ. Where are you going? ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି? I am going to the market. ମୁଁ ହାଟକୁ ଯାଉଛି. Please help me. ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ. I don't understand. ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି. Can you repeat it? ଆପଣ ଏହା ପୁନର୍ବାର କହିପାରିବେ କି? I need water. ମୋତେ ଜଳ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ. I am hungry. ମୁଁ ଭୋକା. Please wait for a minute. ଦୟାକରି ଏକ ମିନିଟ୍ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ. Where is the bus stop? ବସ୍ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ କେଉଁଠି ଅଛି? I want to go home. ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. It is very hot today. ଆଜି ଏହା ଖୁବ୍ ଗରମ. What time is it now? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସମୟ କେତେ? Be careful. ସାବଧାନ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. I am sorry. ମୁଁ ଦୁଃଖିତ. Thank you very much. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଅନେକ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. That's it for today. Practice these 20 sentences every day to improve your spoken English. Remember, learning in new language takes time to effort. Keep practice and you will get better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.